Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel ABAP Genius. In today's video, we will be discussing about the session variable which is present in ABAP and HANA CDS views. So what is session variable? This session variable will indicate the global variables of the current database system and it will be set to that value when we are creating a CDS view or when we are using that CDS view using the OpenSQL language. So SAP HANA database always contains, so whenever if we create a CDS view, the SAP HANA database always contains the current client for the particular ABAP session and it won't be modified by using client syntax. So the HANA session variable, whichever we are talking about, it won't have the corresponding variable in the ABAP CDS. And if we are accessing the session variable, that means that CDS view cannot be buffered. The buffering is not allowed in the CDS view if you are using the session variable. These are the some key points which we have to know for the session variable. So these are the variables which will be available for the session variable like user, client, language and date. So the user is the name of the user whichever you are using for your system. This is similar to the field which is called as uname in our ABAP system. And client will have the current client value and this is similar to that of mandate in our ABAP system. And system language will store the current language in the environment and it is equivalent to language in the ABAP system and system date. So this system date is equivalent to data and it will store the current system date. So these are the different types of values we can give for a session variable and these four are the session variable. We have uh, some declaration called as $session dot and we will be able to see the four values in our CDS view and we will be able to see that values as output while running the CDS view. So let us go to the system and implement the CDS view with the session variable. Let us start creating one CDS view. New other repository object and I am searching for data definition. Give CDS underscore session and CDS view for session variable. And one more thing is we can use the CDS view whatever we will be declaring the session variable in one CDS view and we can consume that CDS view in another CDS views also. That is also possible and we can give the session variables as input also. So here I am giving it as VBAK and key field I am giving it as VBLN and now I will give one session variable $session dot. So if you see here we have user date, user system language, client, all these things are coming automatically and I'm clicking on enter as user And one more session variable I want in my output. I will choose system date as sys date. Okay, user I think reserve keyword. Yes, why user, and now sys date. Okay, system date. I have saved my code and activating it. Okay, some warning. Search help. Okay, this will be fine. And I will be running it as ABAP application. If you observe here, the user details will be displayed and the system date is also displayed. So the session variables is like the system variables whichever we are using in our SAP system. So in SAP we will be having one structure called as SYST and we will be able to see all the system variables present in that. But in our HANA we have very limited standard system variables and it can be accessed by using $session dot and you can use client system date system language. I think these things are added newly because whatever the things I have presented in the PPT, those are the ones which were there initially. So I think we have some good count now comparing to other and user time zone. I'm giving us SYST time and let us see the output now. It will print the current time. Okay, system time is EST. So this is how it will be behaving when we are using the system variables. So this is all about the system variables and hope this video is useful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Happy learning.